Here's how to customize your homepage using the iOS 14th update. I'm going to show you how I've added all of these cool things as well as how you can customize your app icons. Here I'm going to show you how to add the top widget on this page where it shows you the calendar, the time, as well as how much battery you have left. Get the app color widgets. When you open it, it'll have all of these templates and you can also edit them directly however you'd like. I added my own photo to it. Once you like it, set the widget, go back to your home screen, hold down to edit your page, then click the plus sign in the top left. Once this pops up, you're going to search color widgets. At that point, your widget will come up in 3 different sizes, small, medium, and large. You can pick whichever and click add widget, and there you go, it'll be added to your homepage. Now this is how you can add anything that says Widgetsmith that you see on my page. So this quote here, the 7:24 a.m. sunrise, as well as the large calendar that you see here that has like exactly what I have on that day. You're going to get the app Widgetsmith. Once you open it up, you have options of small widgets, medium widgets, and large widgets. So decide which size you want, whatever. You want to click Add Small Widget. You'll then click the new one that popped up to edit it. Click Default Widget. And then there are just all of these options of like styles, of like times, dates, calendars, etc., literally whatever you want. You can then edit the font, the color of the text, and then the background color. Once you like it, you just save it. And then to put it on your actual home screen, I'll do an example with the medium widget that I already made, the medium number 3, the crescent one. So all you have to do is exit out, go to your page that you want to edit, hold it down to edit it again. This time type in Widgetsmith for it to come up. Go to the medium ones, click add widget, and then click on it and pick the widget that you want. So I wanted number 3, and then there you go, it's there on my home screen. I also forgot to show you how you can add photos to your widget. So you'll open it up, create a new widget again, scroll all the way down until you see photo in album. Now I want to make it clear, you have to make an album, like create a new album that only has one photo unless you want to have it go through multiple photos. So here I picked one that already had a quote in it. I think it was just a picture. You click save, then use the exact same directions as before when you add any kind of widget to your home screen. To edit your app icons, open up the Shortcut app, add a new one, click add action and search up open app. Select that and then choose whatever app you want to open. So let's do Instagram, for example. You want to click next, name your shortcut, whatever it is, Insta, save. Now click it again, the 3 dots, click the 3 dots again and select add to home screen. Here you can edit the photo. And then there you go. Click add, click done, go to your home screen, and she will be right there next to Canva.